Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the ultimate chocolate cake. First, gather all your dry ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Sift these together. Then, add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This combination ensures a perfectly balanced and flavorful cake. Next, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. Now, carefully pour in 1 cup of boiling water. This helps to bloom the cocoa powder, intensifying the chocolate flavor. Gently combine the wet mixture with your dry ingredients until just smooth, being careful not to overmix. Now it's time to bake. Prepare 2 9-inch round cake pans by greasing and flouring them thoroughly to prevent sticking. Divide your rich chocolate batter evenly between the 2 pans. Place them into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool in the pans for 10 minutes before moving to a wire rack. Finally, the best part, frosting. For a decadent chocolate buttercream, you'll need 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter. Beat in 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar, depending on your desired sweetness, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 1/4 cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Once your cake layers are completely cool, generously frost them. Stack and serve your magnificent, homemade chocolate cake. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.